G'day, so this one we're going to be looking at multi-part permutations and sort of the different ways that can happen, especially when you have restrictions among it. So if no digit can be used more than once, so that's a key bit of information, no digit can be used more than once, find how many numbers can be formed from the digits 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, and we've got a couple of different examples here. So how many digits can be formed when they're 3-digit numbers? So with this, all we need to look at is we've got 5 numbers to choose from, and we're looking at how many ways these can be put together with 3 numbers arranged however they are. Okay, so with this, it's 5p3, or using a permutation, so then this ends up being 5 factorial over 5 minus 3 factorial. And once you work that out, you'll get a value of 60. Okay? So just remember, we've got 5 in total, and we want to separate it into 3 different ways, or 3 groups, or groups of 3. Okay? Or a group of 3. Sorry. So B, 3-digit numbers that are even. So now we've got a permutation, but we've got a restriction here. Okay, and this restriction is that it has to be an even number. So this means it needs to end with an even number. So how we do this when there's a restriction, we do our box method. So we do three boxes, okay, and we look at our restriction first. So our restriction is that it's got to be even. So this means it has to end with an even number. So we look at how many even numbers we have to choose from, and here we have to choose from 2 even numbers, the 4 and the 6. Then we just look back at how many numbers in total we have. So after we've chosen one number to go there, either the 4 or 6, we have 4 numbers left. So we put 4 in our first box, and then after that one's chosen, we've got 3 numbers left. So when we use our box method, just remember to multiply these together, and this will end up with our answer. Okay, so here, this will give us an answer of 24. Okay, so 24 numbers can be done this way. Alright, and we'll go into our last one here, C. So how many are greater than 700? So our limitation here that it's got to be greater than 700, so this means that it's got to have to start with a 7, because if it starts with a 6 or a 5 or a 4 or a 3, it won't be greater than 700. So we do our 3 boxes again. Oh, it's a bit crooked, but anyway. So we only have one option for it to start with 700, so we put that there. And now we just look at how many different ways that we can do this. After we've chosen that 7, there's 4 numbers left, so we put in a 4, and after we've chosen that second number, there's 3 numbers left. So we multiply all these together, and that will give us our answer of 4 times 3, which is 12. So we can have 12 different numbers. Alright. So this is how we can work out our permutations with restrictions. First, just set up how many different ways, or what you're looking at, sorry. So how many different things. So this is a 3 numbers, or how many choices you have. And then you just need to break up your restrictions first. So you do your restrictions and then just count everything else. Alright. So with this one, we did our restrictions of even number. There's 2 of them. So one of those even numbers been chosen. So now there's 4 numbers in total left. Okay, and then we just kept on going down. So this is how you can break down restrictions. So hopefully this helps with permutations with restrictions. Good luck.